And finally, for our last hands-on experiment with Couchbase, I selected for you one file here called Aggregates. Okay, and let's walk through because, as expected, we'll have a rather complex, a rather complex selection of grouping queries. And look, you'll have also data on the fly in this one. Select person name, average rating. Yeah, as you can see here, we'll group together by what? By the person name. Okay, it's very similar to SQL, except that you get this dot notation to walk through different properties, arrays, elements in a JSON document. Yeah, this is how it works. And yeah, what you get in return, you see, you say you get average rating and you get the name of the person. Remember, yeah, once again, you see the way it's sorted in alphabetical order, yeah, even if you specify aliases here in the select projection list. The name does not appear first, okay? The name appears second because average rating is yeah, alphabetically before the name, okay? And then, yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is more complex. Look, guys, this is a window query, and you get last value, row number, lag. You see, lag like lead and lag. These are window functions. Okay, very similar to what you have in SQL. Look at this one. You specify a window here, and we use this window win over win. This is supported, I think, in MySQL or PostgreSQL. Okay, it's not supported everywhere. It has limited support, but it's still a standard SQL. Okay, so you can define a window like this one, and here you specify partition by, order by. Okay, it's rather self-explanatory. If you are used to window functions in SQL, you should understand properly these ones. Otherwise, yeah, definitely that's some more advanced stuff. And once again, this was on dynamic data. Okay, let's see another one on dynamic data because I'm not interested too much into going into what we have in the database. Yeah, so person name rating unnest. Okay, this is important. You have nest and unnest operations. As expected, when you say unnest, you split up, usually arrays. So you get the ratings arrays here. So you'll get, let's say, one row, yeah, one one object in this case for each pair of John and the rating from here. So we'll get one object with John 3.5, John 5.0, John 4.5, then Mary 5.0. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look how it looks here. You see, John, yeah, 3.5, John 5, John 4.5. So this array has been split up into and distributed to different objects. Okay, this is what unnest does. As expected, we may have a nest operation that basically collects data together, from several objects and groups them together into an array. If you say array AGG, array aggregate, and I think we'll have next. Yeah, I was talking about this one. Look, that's the other operation, the opposite basically operation where you do what? We calculate in this case the array average. Okay, it's not array aggregate. Yeah, it's a bit different. We look at the average of all these values here because we group per person name. Okay, and yeah, you have to pass the rating as well. But this one we look for Jack. Yeah, once again, Jack, John, Mary. Yeah, sorted in alphabetical order. For Jack, 4.7 is basically the average between all these values 4.8, 4.4, 4.9, and so on. Okay, guys. And look, yes, I came up here just with a final selection because yes, there are a lot of queries. I remind you, go to my other course. There are over 10 hours, I think, of lectures, and I walk through even more queries like this one. And if you want to truly become an expert in SQL++ in Couchbase. So what this query does, yeah, this will establish two CTEs, yeah, two subqueries basically, and I will combine both. I will say, okay, select the names of customers, the name of employees, only those that are in common, because I use an intersect. You can use union, except, just like in SQL. Okay, these are set operations. And you can see here I have John, Mary, Jack, and I have Mary, which is common. So I expect to see Mary, and this is what I get.